Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glitch text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this as a background, but you can use any background that you like. It's fine, you can choose anything basically. Okay, let's see the first one. What's like the difference? Oh, this one's just like a colored, doesn't move, but it does make quite a noise apparently. I'm just going to go to text and I'm going to add in default text and I'm going to type in the word glitch. Okay, and then I will also change the font. You can use any font you like. Oops, why did I just adjust the font size? And kind of like adjust it a little bit. I'm just going to adjust it to the video as well. Then I'm going to go to effects and go to the glitch here, and you can choose from these options. It will add it to the video, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can just add it to the text and not the video. So let me just see which one I want. I'm just going to select this color glitch one, and I'm also going to crop it. Then to not add it to the background, select just the text and the effect, right click and then select create compound clip. It will look kind of weird though, as you can see. But yeah, that is basically it. If you don't want to and you want to leave it on the background as well, you can just leave it as is. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!